How to get rid of burnt popcorn smell, detailed guide. Burnt popcorn, the silent enemy of every popcorn lover. You reach for the perfect snack, press the popcorn button on the microwave, and within minutes, the smell of burnt popcorn fills the air. Suddenly, your craving for popcorn is replaced with a strong desire to eliminate the smell before your roommate or significant other finds out. But don't worry, for there are ways to banish that smell and restore your home to its fresh, burnt popcorn smell-free state. In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of burnt popcorn smell using some household items and a touch of creativity. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Remove any burnt popcorn. If the popcorn is still in the microwave, be sure to turn it off first to prevent further burning. Be careful when handling burnt popcorn as it can be hot and may burn your hands. Use a pair of tongs or oven mitts to avoid getting burned. Once you have removed the burnt popcorn, dispose of it properly. You can throw away the burnt popcorn in the trash or place it in a sealed bag before throwing it out. A sealed bag will help contain the smell of the burnt popcorn and prevent it from spreading. If you're concerned about the smell lingering in your trash can, use a deodorizer or odor absorber to neutralize the smell. Products like baking soda, activated charcoal, or odor-neutralizing sprays can help absorb and neutralize the odor. Ventilate the room. Ventilation helps circulate fresh air in the room and remove the burnt popcorn smell. Start by opening the windows in the room. If it's a nice day outside and the weather permits, keep the windows open for several hours to let fresh air circulate through the room. If the weather is not ideal, open the windows for a short time. This will allow fresh air to enter the room and help dissipate the smell. In addition to opening windows, you can also use fans to improve air circulation. Turning on a ceiling fan or placing a portable fan in the room can help move the air around. This, in turn, will reduce the concentration of the burnt popcorn smell. If you have an air purifier, this can also be a great tool to help filter out the odors from the air. When using an air purifier, make sure to read the manufacturer's instructions for proper use. Clean surfaces. Residue from the burnt popcorn can stick to surfaces like countertops, tables, and floors, and cause the smell to linger. To clean these surfaces, you can use a mixture of water and dish soap, water and vinegar, or water and baking soda. To clean surfaces with a mixture of water and dish soap, first, fill a bucket or sink with warm water. Add a few drops of dish soap to the water and mix it until it becomes foamy. Dip a sponge or cloth into the soapy water and wipe down the surfaces that have been affected by the burnt popcorn. Rinse the sponge or cloth often in the bucket or sink to keep it clean. Once you've cleaned the surfaces, wipe them down with a clean, damp cloth to remove any soap residue. If you prefer to use a mixture of water and vinegar, mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on the surfaces and wipe them down with a clean cloth. Be careful when using vinegar on surfaces sensitive to acid, such as marble or granite. To use baking soda, sprinkle it on the affected surfaces and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a damp cloth to wipe the surfaces clean. After cleaning affected surfaces, use any or a combination of these methods to completely get rid of the smell. Use vinegar. Vinegar is a versatile household item that can be used for a variety of cleaning purposes, including getting rid of the burnt popcorn smell. Vinegar has acidic properties that can help neutralize and eliminate unpleasant odors. To use vinegar to get rid of the burnt popcorn smell, fill a bowl with white vinegar. Then place the bowl on a flat surface, such as a countertop or table in the affected area. The vinegar will help absorb the odor and neutralize it over time. Ensure that you use only white vinegar, as other types of vinegar may leave behind their own strong smell. Use baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can be used on a variety of surfaces, including carpets and furniture. It's a safe and natural way to get rid of odors and won't harm your surfaces or leave behind any harmful chemicals. Start by sprinkling baking soda on carpets, furniture, and other surfaces where the smell is most prominent. Make sure to cover the surface evenly with a thin layer of baking soda. You can use a spoon or a shaker bottle to sprinkle the baking soda. Next, let the baking soda sit for a few hours to absorb the odors. This will give it enough time to penetrate the surface and neutralize the smell. If possible, try to leave the baking soda on the surface overnight for maximum effectiveness. Next, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda. Make sure to vacuum up all the baking soda, including any that may have settled into the carpet fibers. For best results, use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter, which can help trap any remaining odor particles. If you're using baking soda on upholstery, make sure to brush off any excess baking soda before vacuuming. This will help prevent any white residue from being left behind. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary until the burnt popcorn smell is completely gone. Use activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is another natural product that can help absorb odors, including the burnt popcorn smell. It works by trapping odor particles in its pores, leaving the air clean and fresh. Activated charcoal comes in different forms. However, for this method, you'll need the activated charcoal either in powder or granular form. Once you have your activated charcoal, place it in a bowl or a sachet. Then, leave it in the affected area for a few days. Make sure to place it in a spot where it won't get knocked over. The activated charcoal will begin to absorb the odor particles, leaving the air fresh and clean. If you're using activated charcoal in a sachet, you can hang it up in the affected area, such as a closet or a pantry. After a few days, remove the activated charcoal and dispose of it properly. Activated charcoal can be reused, but it will need to be reactivated by heating it in the oven for a few minutes. It's worth mentioning that activated charcoal may not be as fast as other methods, such as baking soda or vinegar. You may have to leave it in place for up to a week. However, it's a safe and natural option that can help absorb odors without leaving behind any harmful chemicals. Use citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a great natural way to freshen up the air and mask the smell of burnt popcorn. The natural oils and fragrances in citrus fruits help neutralize unpleasant odors and leave the air smelling clean and fresh. To use citrus fruits, cut up lemons, oranges, or grapefruits into small pieces. Place the citrus pieces in a bowl and leave the bowl in the affected room. The citrus will slowly release its fragrance into the air and help mask the burnt popcorn smell. Another option is to simmer citrus peels in water on the stove to create a natural air freshener. To do this, fill a small saucepan with water and add citrus peels, such as lemon or orange. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer. As the water simmers, it will release the citrus fragrance into the air and help freshen up the room. You can also add other natural ingredients, such as cinnamon sticks or cloves, to the simmering water to create a more complex fragrance. Keep in mind that while citrus can help mask the burnt popcorn smell, it may not completely eliminate the odor. For the best results, it's recommended to use citrus in combination with other methods. Use essential oils. Essential oils are a great way to freshen up the air and mask the smell of burnt popcorn. They are natural and safe, and they come in a variety of fragrances that can help create a pleasant atmosphere in your home. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil to a diffuser and let it fill the room with fragrance. A diffuser is a device that uses water and essential oils to create a mist that disperses into the air. You can find diffusers in various sizes and styles, including ones that plug into the wall or run on batteries. If you don't have a diffuser, fill a spray bottle with water and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Shake the bottle to mix the oil and water, and then spray the mist around the room. Some popular essential oils for freshening up the air include lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and lemon. When using essential oils, follow the instructions on the bottle and do not use too much. Essential oils are potent, and a little goes a long way. Furthermore, make sure to keep the essential oils out of reach of children and pets. Use commercial odor absorbers. If the burnt popcorn smell still persists after trying all the above methods, consider using a commercial odor absorber. These are products specifically designed to eliminate odors and are widely available in stores online. You'll need to choose the right product. Therefore, look for products that contain activated charcoal, baking soda, or other odor-neutralizing ingredients. In addition, each product may have its own set of instructions for use, so ensure that you read the label carefully before using the product. After applying the product, check back periodically to see if the product is working. If the odor is still present, you may need to try a different product or combination of methods. If you're dealing with burnt popcorn smell in your microwave, our video How to Get Rid of Burnt Popcorn Smell in Microwave is just what you need. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.